To get trending templates on Instagram, first of all open Instagram. Now click on plus icon and then click on Reels. Now click on Gallery option on left side of your screen. After this, you will find 3 options on top of your screen: Camera, Draft and Templates. Click on Templates option. Now here you will find all the templates. On top you will find recommended templates, which are basically new templates which you can try. And below that you will find the trending templates, which are currently trending on Reels. You can also save this template for using later. To use any one of the template, click on a template. After that you will see an option to add media. Click on Add Media and then add the required number of photos and videos from your gallery. After adding, click on Next. Now your video is ready. Here you can preview your video and after that click on Next. Now from here, you can add text if you want to write anything in your video, and after that click on Next and you're ready to share. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.